Hello, Dreamcore here. Playing Hiachi test with Smiley. Let's go, I'm excited. Look, a bald girl. Forgot my lantern, Smiley. Oops, I got doubly. Let's go before death is on us. My lantern, Smiley. Let's go before death like always. What the flap? The other Hiachi literally trapping them. Let's go into safety. Hiachi is not gonna climb, isn't she? Oh no, I'm so dead. So slow to death. How did she go here? Always. Let's just go like it's not anything. Let's geo. Hope Hiachi is not gonna kill me again. Great! The flop! Run, 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 guys, she's coming. Lol, look at Hiachi Masashi. Run, run, run. Whoa! Run, run. She's going to disturb the neighborhood. No problem. Not Hiachi just trapping them for eternity. Breathing time with Smiley. Not her coming for us. She's not gonna disturb the neighborhood, isn't her? When will you go in our tower? It's fun. Now she's part of trapping. I should go in the tower. Oh no. Run for eternity. Oops, fell. Lucky me. Dancing time with Smiley. I'm so tired. I should have gone in the dance. People trip me over. Ah. Ignore milk. Where are the Hiachis? She's coming. Get me, please, I'm offended. She's killing everyone, oh no. She's gonna go to our tower. Everyone alerted Hiachi Masashi is here. SHH Smiley, be quiet. Hiding time, yay. Boring, let's see Hiachi. Hiachi, the ultimate hummer. She disappeared to the roof. I was right. Gagne. I should go. She's so loud, shut up, Hiachi. I think I should go back. My goodbye, bye. Say goodbye, Smiley. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Miss yo, moi.